India's space agency ISRO faced a significant setback on January 12th after its Polar satellite launch vehicle PSLV C-62 ran into a serious in-flight anomaly, putting the fate of 16 satellites in doubt. The 44.4-meter rocket lifted off at 10:18 am from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, carrying the Earth Observation Satellite EOS-N1, also called Anvesha, along with 15 co-passenger satellites from India and abroad. The mission was designed to place the spacecraft into a 512-kilometer sun-synchronous orbit. According to ISRO, the launch progressed normally through the first two stages, and the third stage ignited as planned. Problems emerged near the end of the third stage burn when the vehicle began showing abnormal behavior. ISRO Chairman P. Narayanam said the rocket experienced increased disturbance and deviated from its intended flight path, preventing the satellites from being accurately injected into orbit. He added that a detailed investigation had been initiated. ISRO has not yet confirmed whether any of the satellites were successfully deployed. Engineers are currently analyzing telemetry and tracking data from multiple ground stations. The agency said further details would be shared once the assessment is complete. The incident has raised concerns as it follows a similar PSLV failure in 2025, which also occurred during the third stage. PSLV C-62 had been expected to mark the launch vehicle's return to normal operations. The PSLV has long been regarded as ISRO's most dependable rocket, with more than 60 missions and only a handful of failures. However, back-to-back setbacks now pose fresh questions as ISRO works to determine the cause of the anomaly and the outcome of the 16 satellites on board.